Diagnosing ground faults requires precision, and innovative solutions are changing the game. Let's dive into how these advancements are making a difference. George, take it away.
What's really important to understand is that once you can source the problem, you have a remedy and everybody can make an informed decision. So you're saving time and money. With Volta Insite, deploying a node between the VFD and the electric motor, you get a picture of both sides. When you get that, the analytics will determine where the problem is coming from. Is it the electric motor, or is it the variable frequency drive, or is it an actual short in the wiring? This is critical. This is where you can save a lot of money with Volta Insite and deploying a node and using analytics to make an informed decision. What Volta Insite does is when we get the data voltage and current, we can put that together and we can execute algorithms on it, and we can determine with electrical signature analysis, we get a good picture of what is going on with the power.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insite today.